HBQ-378 heat shrinking machine. The temperature of the heating plate can be set up to 650 Celsius. Automatically feed and heat shrinking. The inner and outer sides of the cavity are insulated. The fan at the wire collecting place cools rapidly. The maximum processing cross-sections of the heat shrinking tube can reach 15 millimeters. The maximum processing length of the heat shrinking tube can reach 110 millimeters. Customizable fixtures are available.